In this video, I'm gonna show you a secret method to make over $20,000 a month by running a TikTok channel using just AI. Welcome back everyone to another fantastic opportunity to leverage AI for remarkable financial gains. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to an exclusive method that requires no editing skills and eliminates the hours spent creating monetizable videos. And by the end of this video, you'll learn how to effortlessly generate your own videos for free in just a couple of minutes. Picture yourself quitting your boring job and living the dream lifestyle you've always wanted. Well, guess what? It's not just a fantasy anymore. With dedication and by following my precise steps, you'll be on the fast track to financial freedom sooner than you think. But wait, there's more. Stick around until the end of this video, as I'll reveal an extra secret tip that can supercharge your growth, leading you to earnings within just 30 days. Before we delve into the exciting content, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate the notifications bell, as the upcoming weekly content is your ticket to financial independence in the coming months. Okay guys, so for this we are actually using the world famous platform TikTok. So as you can see, these TikTok videos are getting millions and millions of views and is considered a direct competitor of YouTube Shorts. So actually, if you go and research, you can find plenty of videos with millions of views. But today, I'm going to reveal a special niche, which is called the quiz niche. This niche is actually trending currently with just a few channels doing this. You could see that these videos are raking in millions of views within a very short period. And the best part is that there's a new way of monetizing these videos, and you could earn a huge amount of money every month, which would enable you to quit your job. This is made possible by the TikTok Creativity Program Beta, which was launched recently, which is also the latest monetization scheme, introduced by TikTok with more income potential when compared to the existing TikTok Creator Fund. So to be eligible for this program, you only need to have a US-based account and have at least 10,000 followers with at least 100,000 video views within the last 30 days, which is effortlessly achievable with this strategy you are gonna learn today. Also, you don't have to worry about not being in the US, as I'm gonna show how you could get yourself a US-based account, no matter from which country you are from. Another thing to keep in mind is that to earn with the creativity program, your video duration should be over 1 minute. And the best part is the RPM, which is the ad revenue, which you're going to get per 1,000 views, is in a higher number for short form videos, which is at about $0.5 to $1 per 1,000 video views you get. So if you do the math to estimate the expected revenue for a video with 10 million views, you'll figure out that it's going to be around $10,000 made from just one video. So to generate similar quizzes, we are going to go all the way up to ChatGPT. Next, we'll need to type in generate 10 quizzes with 4 answers and then highlight the correct answer. Next, you'll need to click send message, which will enable ChatGPT to generate 10 quiz type questions and answers for you within just a matter of a few seconds. So now that we've got it sorted, what we have to do is to go over to canva.com. And once in, you'll need to type in TikTok and then select blank video. Then once you come across this, you need to go and type in quiz into the video template search box. So let's go and select a good looking template. So once you click on a desired template and click apply to both pages, the pages will be added to the timeline. Next, you'll need to go and copy your questions one by one and paste it in here. Then let's go back and also copy all the answers and paste them in here. You should make sure that the correct answer is copied into this highlighted box, which is going to indicate the correct answer. So once copy and paste is done, now we'll need to add a notification bell kind of tone, which you see in similar videos. So to do this, I'm going to go into Elements, then Audio, then I'm going to type in bell ding and then choose a suiting audio clip. This option is only available in Canva Pro, but don't worry, if you don't have the paid version, you can go and download a free tone from Google and then upload and drag it over here to the timeline, aligning with the timestamp where the second slide starts. Next, we'll need to add a voiceover. So to do this, I'm going to a site, call it 11 Labs. So once you go to 11 Labs, you just need to copy out the question, which can then be pasted on the homepage. Remember that you once again won't have to purchase a paid plan for this, as it can be done for free since it's only a small piece of text, which you are getting generated. So you can choose a preferred voice from here, which I'm going to select as James. And once you click play, 11 Labs will then generate it for you. Now you can go and download this and then go back to Canva and upload the voiceover. Next, you should drag this down and align it with the question slide.
Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
Next, you'll need to create a few more quiz videos of the remaining ideas until your total video duration exceeds 60 seconds. So once you make sure that your video is over 1 minute, you then can go and click share and download it to your device. So once downloaded, your video is now ready to be uploaded into TikTok without any copyright issues whatsoever. So for those who are living out of the US, you probably did notice that the creative program required us to have a US-based account. You don't have to worry about this, as I have a solution which is provided by a company called Genexix Media. I personally own a couple of TikTok accounts which I've acquired from Genexix since I too am located out of the US. Genexix actually provides authentic TikTok accounts from the US, France, Germany, Korea, Japan, or the UK, so that you won't have any location issues when joining the revenue program. To access, you just can go out to the link which I've dropped down below in the description and as a pinned comment. Also, the first 50 people who access through my link and enter the coupon code will get an additional 10% discount on top of this. So if you want to capitalize on the method I just revealed and start living your dream lifestyle, go and get access to an authentic US TikTok account, which has the ability to monetize for the creativity program beta from any country. It's just a one-time payment compared to the thousands of dollars you are going to earn every month. Thumbs up for sticking around until the end. Now, let me share the secret which can assure your success on the TikTok platform. So, to accelerate your progress, you'll need to go and research on the top TikTok accounts which are in the same niche. And then you should note down the videos with the highest view counts. And now you can replicate the topics which have got the most number of views. You could do this by commanding ChatGPT to generate quizzes on the topics which you have listed down. Also make sure that you upload at least one video every day for the next 30 days to be recognized by the TikTok algorithm, resulting in an increase in your reach and views. If you figure out the best performing videos and replicate them as I've instructed, you are very likely to achieve the number of views and followers required to join the TikTok creativity program within just 1 month. And that wraps up this video. If you found the content valuable, please consider dropping a like and staying subscribed for future updates. I'll be back soon with another video.